Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&F FOREX Traders. I'm here with a trade recap on how we managed to catch 1,200 pips on US30. So for that and more and how we managed to get the entry, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so let me just show you before all this happened. You can clearly see that this was our forecast right here. So we saw this nice looking pin bar right here. Therefore, we went to the lower time frame. We found that this is a nice rally-based drop. So something significant that happened also here is that the market gave us what? Equal highs at this level right here. So my anticipation was that price was going to take out these highs here so that it can come to our level right here and end up selling. But guess what happened? The market actually did that, but it went further ahead and actually took out the buy side liquidity. So if you go to the lower time frame, however, something significant happened. So this was during some news event here. So what you're going to note here is that the market actually just took out that and then dropped a bit. If you go even to the lower time frame further, you're going to realize that the market actually gave us a nice entry signal right here. So the market dropped and pulled back into this area, right? It dropped even further. Then the market left behind structure here. So if you go, let's go to the 3 minutes time frame right here. This was a rally-based drop, and then the market pulled back into this same area right here, and this is how we managed to get this beautiful entry right here. And guess what? The market dropped like crazy after that. This trade alone dropped about 1,200 pips, and right now it's still dropping 1,200 pips right here, and it was a 44 risk to reward ratio, and the market is still going. You can see that our target was 1,300. This was an absolutely perfect setup that actually worked out in our favor. You can clearly see that if you zoom out of this particular setup right here, even if we went to the daily time frame, you're going to realize that this trend for some time has been to the downside, right? So it's very simple. What you do is you start to look for structure. Okay, so if you go back to the 4-hour time frame here, you're going to realize that we had this big week right here. So what you do is you go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame until you find the order block, right? You find the order block on the lower time frame. You have to find the order block on the lower time frame, and once you've found the order block on the lower time frame, you wait for the liquidity to be taken. You can clearly see that these were clear equal highs right here. So we had this and this right there. This is what you call the liquidity zone. So once the liquidity zone has been taken out, your next step is to wait for your confirmation right here. As you can see, in this case, this was not a clear setup right here. The market took us out. If you wanted just to jump in here or by using a pending order, you'd have been taken out and then you'd have just lost money, right? But if you wait, once you wait for the reaction, you wait for the market to give you reasons to actually enter that particular trade. You can clearly see that the market dropped and then it pulled back into that area, which would have been your opportunity to actually jump into this particular trade, and this time around you'd have been profit of 1,200. And mind you, this is US30. You'd have made a lot of money, and guess what? This was shared with our private community right here, the focus and everything. You'd have enjoyed all this good stuff. This was an absolutely very good trade. So you missed out if you're not in our M&F mastery mentorship community or the signals community, you missed out big time, because this was actually shared there. All right, so talking about our M&F mastery course, our promotion is still up. It's still on, it's still going up to the 28th of February. So make sure that you check the first link in the description to actually get the promotion. All right, that's going at $69 instead of you paying $250. All right, so you guys make sure that you check the first link in the description and come and join us. Until next time, you guys, goodbye.